Welcome everyone to my wonderful channel. I usually teach people how to get things. Subscribe and make money for free. So today, I am going to teach you how to make money on Opay app without referral. Please be attentive enough to grab every piece of information on this video, because it can earn you a small income. First of all, one of the ways you can earn money on this platform is through Opay Daily Check-in. To access Daily Check-in, click Reward, located at the bottom of the app. After that, you can click Check-in now on the green box below to get up to 20 Naira cashback instantly. You can check in up to 20 times every month, and after 20 times, you can continue to participate in the next month. Apart from the check-in program, there are other cool ways you can earn cashbacks from the app. These cashbacks can later be used to purchase airtime, make payments, or converted to cash. Here's how it works. Anytime you purchase an airtime or data from the Opay app, you get from 3% up to 6% cashback. That means, if you purchase 1000 Naira airtime or data for someone through the app, you can earn over 160 Naira cashback. This could be a business opportunity for anyone into airtime or data resale, because you can take in some little profits. Another best way to earn from this app is by saving your money for daily or interest. To start, you have to click the finance button located at the bottom on the app. After that, you'll be given an option to choose from various saving plans, which includes Wealth, Target, SafeBox, and finally, Spend and Save. But the best saving and investment plan you can earn a lot of money from is Wealth. On Wealth, you will get 15% of any amount you invest, and you can withdraw your money anytime, any day. For example, let's say you invest 100,000 on Wealth. Your interest will be 13,500 Naira, so at the end of the investment, you will get an additional 113,500 Naira. If you invest 3 million Naira on Wealth, then your interest alone would be 144,000 Naira. The most interesting part is that you can withdraw your invested money anytime you want. Quickly switch over to the card tab. Then turn over to the physical card section. There is an earning feature that lets you earn more money as you spend using your activated Opay card. Ask me any question you don't understand on the comment section. And last but not the least, you can also earn money on Opay by simply inviting your friends and family to join the platform. To start, click on the Refer and Earn tab. Then you will be redirected to a page where you can get your invitation code and unique referral link. Your invitation code is located on the first white box. It's usually your phone number, while your referral link can be gotten from the yellow box. Anytime someone uses your unique link or invitation code to sign up, you will get 800 Naira instantly. If you refer 10 new users, you will get 8,000 Naira instantly. This opportunity can fetch you 10,000 daily, and over 300,000 monthly. Nevertheless, anybody you refer will get 1,500 Naira bonus, however, terms and conditions apply. Click the Refer Raw box and share your unique link to Facebook, WhatsApp, or Twitter X. Or you can copy the direct link from the source through a Note app. Then you can paste it on your website, or any site that can help you promote your link. So ladies and gentlemen, that comes to the end of this content. Kindly like this video, and subscribe to this channel. From here you will learn how to get things and earn money for free.